Hello and welcome to The Nerdy Teacher, and I'm very excited today to announce I've finally reached 100 subscribers. Woohoo! Thank you all so much for subscribing to my channel. I can't tell you, I've been waiting and watching the numbers creeping up, and I was really excited yesterday when I got home and realised that I'd got to 100 subscribers. So thank you all for subscribing and watching my videos and joining me in my little YouTube adventure. So to celebrate, I've set up a little raffle with my subscriber list. So I've popped the names that I could copy from the subscriber list into an online name generator, and I'm going to do the raffle right now. Very excited. So the winning subscriber needs to get in contact with me with some information about what edtech they would like to see me doing a special dedicated tutorial for them on. And I'll get onto that and get that posted next week. So I did copy all the subscriber names from the list, but YouTube only shows me certain people. It doesn't show me the whole list. If you've not, if your YouTube profile's private, then your name doesn't come up on the list. So I'm sorry if you're a subscriber and your name doesn't appear in the list that I'm about to show you. I apologise. I can only apologise. Because I'm so excited about this and I really want to get everyone involved, I'll be running another competition on social media. So if you follow me on Facebook or Blue Sky or Twitter, keep an eye out, and I'll be running another competition on social media soon for the same kind of prize. So without further ado, let's get into the draw. Here we are ready for the draw. So I'm using Online Stopwatch's Claw Name Picker, which I've found recently and quite like the idea of. So I'll probably be using it in the classroom as well, but I thought do this in a nice primary teacher kind of way. If I scroll down, you can see I've got a list of the names that I was able to pull from Facebook. If your name's not there, I apologise, and again, I will be running the same competition again on social media because unfortunately there's only, as you can see, 26 of my 100 lovely subscribers actually on there. So let's start the name picker. Here we go. And the winner of a dedicated edtech tutorial video is Kelly McMahon. Yay! Okay, Kelly, so I'll be in contact with you over YouTube. Drop me a little message and let me know what you would like your edtech tutorial to be all about. Thank you for joining me. Congratulations, Kelly. Thanks again, everybody, for subscribing and for joining me. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm a little bit excited in this video. My first online YouTube raffle and my first 100 subscribers. Hooray! Thank you so much again. And I'll see you next time and hopefully an actual edtech video. Till then, keep your heart in education and your head in edtech. Goodbye.